Make a great choice today with the 2017 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 2.7-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 135,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, black door handles, inside you'll find smart device integration, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, compass. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.